Hi there. In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best kitchen knife sets on Amazon you can buy this year. Let's start. HENCKELS Razor Sharp Knife Set. Designed in Germany and brought to you by a company that's been making kitchen knives for over a century, every knife in the set is well-balanced, comfortable to hold, and easy to care for. These satin-finish knives have a fine, almost shiny appearance. Coming with a forged bolster, full tang, and traditional triple rivet handle, its seamless transition from bolster to handle makes it very easy to use for different cutting techniques. The handle is made from durable synthetic material and is contoured for a secure, comfortable grip. This knife is dishwasher safe, though hand wash is recommended. The HENCKELS Classic 8-inch chef's knife is perfect for chopping herbs and vegetables and also cuts meat with accuracy and ease. A perfect all-rounder for professionals and home cooks alike. NANFANG Brothers Kitchen Knife Set. Made with 67 layers of Damascus steel, this 6-piece knife set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, an 8-inch bread knife, a 6.6-inch santoka knife, a 5.5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, and a knife holder. With a unique curved handle design made from durable ABS, these knives are well-balanced and give you a comfortable grip. The blades are engraved with a Damascus pattern to prevent the food from sticking. The set is housed in an attractive natural wooden holder that makes it easy and safe to store your knives. The set is also available in a 5-piece option, including a honing rod in place of the utility knife. CALPHALON Classic Kitchen Knife Set. Constructed from forged, high-carbon, no-stain steel, these CALPHALON knives are nicely balanced and feature a full tang design for strength. The sleek knife block includes built-in ceramic sharpeners that automatically sharpen straight-edge knives with every use, ensuring blades are always sharp. The set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 6-inch serrated utility knife, 5-inch santoku, 4.5-inch paring knife, 6 steak knives, kitchen shears, and a maplewood knife block. Triple riveted handles are labeled for easy knife identification, and the set comes with a full lifetime warranty. There have been a few complaints of the blades rusting and the handles chipping. Be sure to promptly hand wash and dry the knives to prevent rusting and avoid using abrasive cleaners that could damage the handles. FARBERWARE Triple Rivet Knife Set. This black knife set from FARBERWARE is the ultimate kitchen assistant. With high-carbon stainless steel blades, each knife is perfectly weighted, providing optimal control and balance. The FARBERWARE forged knife set features a black plastic ergonomic handle that is extremely comfortable to use. This 15-piece kitchen knife set includes an 8-inch chef knife, a 6-inch slicer knife, 2 santoka knives, a serrated utility knife, a fine-edge utility knife, and a paring knife. The set also includes 6 4.5-inch steak knives, a pair of kitchen scissors, an easy angled sharpening steel, and a natural stained pine wood knife block. This FARBERWARE product is backed by a lifetime warranty. You are advised to hand wash the knives with warm water and a mild detergent, ensuring a perfect cut every time. VICTORINOX Swiss Classic Knife Set. This 5-piece set from VICTORINOX includes a 7.5-inch chef's knife, an 8-inch bread knife, a 6-inch utility knife, a 4.5-inch utility knife, and a 3.25-inch paring knife. All with tapered stainless steel edges that prevent food from sticking and make for easier and more efficient slicing. The blades are long-lasting and easy to sharpen, and they come with sharp, lightweight, and ergonomic handles for easy handling. The beautiful and compact in-drawer knife holder is made of hardwood, allowing for both long-term durability and a compact organization solution that keeps your cutlery in order. These knives come with a lifetime warranty against defects in material and workmanship, and overall, this is an excellent dinner knife set. And that's all for this review. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best kitchen knife sets on Amazon. Thanks for watching.